a Toy Kingdom toy clearance sale. Yung pang-inflate sa kanya. Oh, that's cute. Body. Mickey Mouse baby shampoo. Standard. Smiggle, where a smile meets a giggle. Hail Mallrats! We're here at SMX Convention Center. It is August 24th, Sunday, and there is a Toy Kingdom toy clearance sale. Now, I've been to a few of these over the past few months, usually in Megatrade Hall in SM Mega Mall. This is the first time I've seen one in SMX. Let's check it out. Ano oras yung sale? 10 pa. Okay. So this is a Toy Kingdom clearance sale here at SMX. Eating up SMX Hall 4. The line to the cashier is insane. Oh wow. Pila pa pala. Ay, sorry. Oh wow. Oh wow. These people are in line. That's the line. See the line? That is a really long line. Ends here. Okay. It's eating up one normal Megatrade Hall. So, I mean, no, not it's SMX Hall. Last year's ate up Megatrade Hall 1, 2, and 3. So, this is gonna be smaller. Baby stuff. So over here is a bunch of stuffed toys. Stuffed toys. Here is what it is. Plastic toys. Plastic junk. It's mostly plastic junk. Kids' toys, I guess. Oh, hula hoop. We're seeing the Disney branded stuff over here. That's Disney branded stuff. But then mixed stuff. See Stitch, Disney princesses, Cars. This is SpongeBob, which is not Disney. It's weird. That's kids wear. That's full-fledged annoying kid wear. Interesting. Those are organic baby wipes. Smiggle, where a smile meets a giggle. Smiggle.
Dalawa pa naman kami.
Eurotex. Hello, fans. There you go. Just like standard. It's more of an SM Supermall thing than a Toy Kingdom sale. But hey, thermos. Buy one get one. Oh, lunchbox. Coffee and black shark. It's got Celestron telescopes, black shark stuff, whatever that is. Melowares. Lining made perfect since 1980. Oh, Disney princess stuff. Kaya lang, this looks like well, there's toys. This doesn't. Okay, this does look like Disney princess stuff. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Mickey Mouse baby shampoo. Okay. Whoa, our maps. Ooh, bugs. Look at that. That's cool. Dinosaurs. That was $600 for a top of dinosaurs. Let me consider that. 500 or 600 for all the fish, snakes and stuff. That's cool. Now, these are not really Disney toys, so Shark World Peacekeepers. I think there's a line. Oh, Simply Carols, but it's a Hello Kitty pillow. Hello Kitty and other Sanrio characters. Turn this here. This one is the door of World Peacekeepers. World Police. Volleyballs, soccer balls. That's cool. Actually, I think that's just volleyballs. Playfell. Playfell. Ooh, look at it. Let's connect. Why does the Instagram one look so complicated? Just wondering. Kay Nimtoy. It looks like mats for play mats and stuff. Chessor. This is the scooter place.
Kids Place.
Padoma Playhouse. Looks expensive. It's an actual playhouse. It's probably Japanese, since that is a Japanese word. Glover. Glover? Glover? Glover on wheels. Glover. Glover. Learning is fun, but is it really fun though? Actually, I see an arc there, so yeah, it is fun. Bible stories are fun. We need more of those. Merchant of Venice for kids? I don't think so. Pound of flesh and all. Seriously, Merchant of Venice is not a children's book. Pound of flesh and all. The book. Do you want them to cut out their heart? Magnetic Marble Run. Okay. Cable. Got dinosaurs. 20% off. This one is Trex. Ooh, look at that. It's a motorcycle. Kiddie size. Probably electric. Macro. Trex. X-Scooter. Monster wheels. Oh, look at that dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. Ayun, yun. Ay, inflatable siya. What's that? $2,000. Okay. Pero manual kayo. May pump na kasama or manually ini-inflate? Okay. Na maybe yung pang-inflate sa kanya. Oh, that's cute. It's a giant inflatable remote controlled dinosaur. That's cool. Air wheel. Oh, yeah. Monster wheels. Long live Play Philippines. LPD. Anime stuff. Wonder Woman that.
JPG Counter Lane Area Bill. JPG Counter Lane. Waiting on 14, the bumper 7. Waiting on 14, the bumper 7. Please see the personnel to bumper 12. Please see the personnel to bumper 12, please.
Ultimate Arcade Warriors. Okay. Ooh, Kinetic Sand. Tokyo finds, but nothing's there. Let's check this Kinetic Sand, although I don't think there is any. Let's see. Kinetic Sand. I don't see any. Just toys. No Kinetic Sand. And I think that's in line. off for Lego looking thing. Oh, Funko Pops. Funko Pops. Cancer for the tourist casual. 20% off though. This is a low effort video. I know, guys. Unicorn. Look at those. Is that a dinosaur in the back though? That was cool. There you go. That was it, guys. I actually went around earlier, so I know there's nothing for me here. Normally, I go for the Gun Plus sales and stuff, but they don't have any on sale. They just have cheap Chinese shit for kids that you shouldn't really be buying your kids because they might be toxic. Well, okay, there are some cool stuff. Toys are cute, but the rest, I wouldn't. Look at that. Is that LPS? Well, it's Disney stuff. Very damaged brand. Disney. There you go. That's it, guys. Let's get out of here. Is the line still long? It looks like it's even longer. Oh boy, I just pay full price for whatever I want. I don't know, guys.
OCM personnel to offer them, please.
There you go, Mallrats. That was the Toy Kingdom Toy Clearance Sale here at SMX, August 24, 2025. We didn't really see that many things that are, well, there are a lot of good deals, but they're cheap plastic shit, so probably wouldn't want my kid to play with those. Anyway, you guys know what to do. If you like what you saw, like the video, subscribe, share the video, check out our other sales. They're probably better than this one anyway. Anyway, OC Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out. I'm gonna go look for some better toys.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.